Hi, my awesome friends. You know what time it is? It's Thursday. And what do we do every Thursday? Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. So, this is what I did last week. Let's go see what Grandma did this week. And I also want to share my wonderful co-hosts with you too. Here is my co-hostess for Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. And this is my awesome friend growing on Vancouver Island. She is my fairy garden buddy. She loves fairy gardens as much as I do, and she's made lots and lots of fairy gardens. Go check out her last summer fairy garden videos and see what I was amazed at what she put together. She does a great job on anything to do with gardening and gives great gardening tips also. So go check out this awesome channel. And let's see if we can get her numbers up a little bit bigger, but they're doing pretty good. She's already put together 216 videos, all to do about gardening, fairy gardens, and sharing her beautiful Vancouver Island with us. Go check her out. It's Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. So happy to see so many of you here. Anyone can join in anytime you want. You can put a simple little fairy garden together or something big. We don't care, big or small. And this here was put together mostly with all Dollar Tree items except for the red mushroom. So you don't have to go spend a lot of money to find something cute to put in a fairy garden. As you can see, I have a pretty big fairy village here. Love to see you join in. You can join in once in a while or you can join in every week. We don't care. We just love seeing our friends here for the Fairy Garden Thursday party. And we love having you here. See you in the next video. And I hope you enjoy what we're sharing every week on this post. Well, sit down with your cup of tea and watch the video. Well, here is one of our little fairies swinging on her cute little tree. Looks like a magical place, does it not? This is where the fairies live and play, along with their friends the gnomes. They all stay quite friendly and love each other. I thought this turned out wonderful. What do you think? Here is my little magical world. I hope you enjoy coming by and joining in with us. Oh, do we love it here so, with fairies and gnomes all about us. It's such a wonderful, magical place to be, and all the beautiful sounds of nature behind them. The birds are always happy when Grandma is out here. They love seeing Grandma out in the garden because they know there's going to be lots more being put together, more flowers and plants, and oh, the sunflowers hopefully will be coming soon. They always enjoy seeing me out here, knowing I'm going to be doing something in the future. And as you can see, we have wonderful little village here with houses tucked every which way, some up in the plants, some over here with some more plants, and of course all those beautiful little fairy houses and little gnomes having so much fun picking flowers out of the garden. So many flowers blooming today. Let me know what you thought. This was a free post. There was no money spent in the making of this video. So, hope you enjoyed what we had to share today.